Yes, today let us start with mouse. So what actually is a mouse? A mouse is a pointing device. So a mouse can point at things, and if you find about the general concept of the computer system, you will know that input, process, output. So whatever you give as input will be processed and the output will come. For example, suppose I give 5 plus 5, so the output is 10. So here, over here, now input device, I'm coming to the input. How you give the input, either through the keyboard or through the mouse. Now if I come across what is a mouse, so mouse is an input device, mouse is a pointing device. So let us see how a mouse looks like. So this is the mouse, you can see very well, this is the mouse. You have in the mouse the left button, yes, and the right button. So this one is called the left button and this one is called the right button. So once I click on the left, means I select things, I point to things, or what I do is that I can, if I use double click, I can open the file or a folder. I can use the right click to create the pop-up menu or the shortcut menu, where I can use the shortcuts like renaming, okay, and many. Copying, many things we can do. We can use the shortcut pop-up. When you right click on the mouse, right click is this one, I click on there. There is a scroll over here, already known as the scroll wheel, where we can scroll up and down the page. Yes, we can move up and down the page using the scroll. Okay, now let us see what is mouse or something more about the mouse. A computer mouse is a pointing device. I have already told that. Attached to the computer, or that is the main part of the computer, that is called the CPU. So always we find the mouse, it is attached to the main part of the CPU. So if the CPU is here, so CPU, main part of the CPU, the mouse is attached. So if with where, so mouse can be with where, without where. Without where means an interface card will be placed in the USB so that you can use the mouse. Once you move the mouse pointer also moves. How the mouse pointer normally by default looks like an arrow. Like an arrow. Arrowhead, this is the mouse pointer. You move the mouse also moves. You move the right, the mouse pointer moves to the right. You move the left, the mouse pointer moves to the left. If you click on it, you select something. If you double click on it, you open something. So this is how we can give the input instructions to the computer. Now, we can also select and also can play games in the computer. Yes, instead of the joystick is also an input device. If no joystick is there, we can use the mouse to operate the particular games. We can do the games. We can operate the various type of games and use the mouse there. We can even draw pictures, like in MS Paint you need the mouse to drag, yes, and you can make a paint, you draw and make a shape, okay, you can draw, drag and leave it and make a shape. So these are all things that you can do with the mouse. Now coming to the next one, types of mouse. So before I go for the types of mouse, you know more, this particular mouse can also, there is a ball, yes, which is called the ball mouse. Nowadays you will not find the ball mouse, previously it was being used. Now the optical or the laser, yes, optical or the laser, that means one ray of light comes in. With the help of the light beam, your mouse will be moving, so no balls are there. And that is called the optical mouse. And now, if we normally try to find out types of mouse, so we can have the 2-button mouse, where the 2 buttons are there, I already told. You can have a scroll mouse, where the scroll is there, so this is the 3. Okay, and you can have a wireless mouse. So normally 2-button mouse, scroll mouse, that includes if the scroll is there, there's a 3-button, and we have the wireless type of mouse. So these is based on the types of mouse. That is all about today's part. More I'll be adding out next week. So I have told what is a mouse, the uses of the mouse, and the types of mouse. Thank you everyone. Yes, and through my video so that you understand better, and any questions, and I will always be helping you out. Thank you everyone. Thank you.